Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well and staying safe. So, got some good news. I finally got my hands on it. Ryzen 4th generation class CPU. This actually, I would say, took me months to actually get my hands on. Release date dating back to fall 2020, and it is now June, almost July of 2021. So I did actually have to pay a slight price premium over the manufacturer's suggested price for this, maybe like 10-20 bucks. Not a big deal considering. Originally I was going to get the 5950x. This is actually the 5900x CPU, which I believe is pretty much more than enough than I need. I actually don't really need 16 cores of power, even though that would have been nice. But the price difference plus the price premium above that really just didn't really justify it, so I went with the 5900x, which is now yet again sold out at the retailer I actually bought it from. So I did not actually pay this off the auctioning website or Amazon with price gouging price on top of it. So I'm actually really looking forward to using this. I'm going to be doing a massive overhaul upgrade on that wonderful piece of hardware behind me, and I definitely do say that with a really happy face, because right over here I have my motherboard and memory, and of course I will be reusing a couple of parts from that computer, like the video card, which unfortunately not many gamers have a choice these days. But I've actually had these parts already here for some time, just sitting back collecting dust, literally, and everything is just depending on one part that it was missing all this time. So I'm actually really happy to finally get my hands on it. So I'm looking forward to actually putting up some reviews of this wonderful piece of hardware here using a new CPU, powerful CPU, and also look forward to another video if this thing runs Windows 7, and I know I definitely got a lot of commentary and questions about that, so something to look forward to. I'm not planning to run Windows 7 on that computer. I am currently running Windows 10 on it to be honest, but I definitely am the type of person to actually see, does it work and how do you do it. If I can definitely figure out how to do it, I'll be more than happy to help everyone else figure out how to do it. And I know a lot of people are going to wonder, why are you going to put Windows 7 now? Like, why not? You have the choice, right? It may not be the choice that you agree with, but the choice is there. So if anyone's wondering, hey, it's there. It's a matter of preference, as I mentioned before. And I still do have one computer, at least in my household, that is running Windows 7. So definitely look forward to that. I also got my hands on, the leaked version of Windows 11. And I'll definitely be going ahead and do a couple little videos, some know-hows of how to basically install and bypass that little TPM issue that a lot of people have mentioned in forums and online as well too, saying that Windows 11 installation has said their hardware is not approved for installation. That's, you know, I'm just the type of person to go past and bypass all that. Well, everyone, definitely look forward to those videos. If you have any suggestions or questions or inquiries regarding the CPU or anything else you'd like to see in a future video, because I definitely do have about 3 or 4 in mind just looking at this, let me know, and I absolutely welcome and want to hear your questionnaires and comments and inquiries regarding anything to do with the CPU or the hardware right over here as well too. I was planning to get my hands on an updated video card, but unfortunately with prices going on as they are, I'm going to be using my old 980 Ti video card that I still have in this computer right now, which I know, cringe, that is an old video card from like 2015. But basically the way I see it is, if you see a video card priced at a certain point on release, you're willing to accept it or not, that's basically your choice. You see a video card nowadays and it's basically the price point you see it plus another 30 or 50 or who knows how much freaking percent, and that's an unfortunate situation, but you know, there's many reasons, not just one, for the cause of that, and I just don't really feel like dealing with that right now. So as it is, still using my old 980 Ti. I do have some newer video cards as well too. This is my second PC, which is that direction over there, you can see it, is using a 2060 Ti, I believe. My goodness, can't remember the video cards I did reviews on. Anyway, let me know guys, and I definitely do appreciate any feedback received as well too. Thanks for watching, look forward to some updates, and of course, as always, stay safe.